Hello everyone, and welcome to the second workshop on science and engineering of deep learning. I'm Nego Rostamzadeh, research scientist at Google Ethical AI team. And together with my co-organizers, Leven, Chalar, Adriana, Stefano, Lenka, and Sami, we are looking forward to all the keynotes, contributed talks, posters, and panel discussions, and all the discussions during the poster presentations at GatherTown. The first iteration of the SEDL workshop was at Norwich 2019. We wanted to understand the potential boundary between the theoretical and engineering aspects of deep learning. Our goal was to bring together people who are focusing on the same objective but with various angles and through different practices to create a better flow of information. Reviewing the outcome of the first workshop, it became clear in order to enhance these interactions among different machine learning subfields, we need to set values that define us as a community and shape the future of our research better. In particular, identifying and communicating these values will help with better practices in both engineering and scientific aspects of our field, and will help us with getting to a more robust research practice. And as well as acknowledging this broader impact of our research could help us with creating a field which can benefit everyone. I would also like to discuss and communicate these ethical standards and aspects that could shape our field. So in this year of the workshop, we are hoping to answer these questions. What are the scientific and engineering practices that we should promote as a community? How do these interact? And what is the broader real-life impact of such scientific and engineering practices? The first session of the workshop is on working towards deep learning as a methodological tool. In this theme, we focus on deep learning as a methodology for scientific discovery and trying to investigate that values we should implement to guide advances in deep learning. And with the second theme, we are hoping to address the social impact of machine learning research. If I'm only working on pure machine learning research project or just research aspects of machine learning, should I follow the ethical practices in the scientific and engineering aspects of my research? Or should I be worried about the social impact of the technology that I'm creating? We organizers think that the answer is a yes. And we are so honored and happy to have amazing speakers in both teams. Both sessions are followed by a mini panel and a live Q&A. Please ask your questions in Rocket Chat. After the opening, we invite you all to participate in contributed talks, as well as poster sessions, which you could actually follow the schedule on the website and follow them in GatherTown. Our panel discussion is on value in science and engineering of machine learning research, which is a live session that's happening from the website. Last year, the closing panel focused on the communication gap between various subfields of machine learning research. One of the outcomes of the discussion was the lack of cross-cultural aspects that allow building a shared language to communicate. This year, to create such communication medium, the closing panel is around discussion on values in the concept of principles or standard of behavior. I would like to actually thank our amazing speakers and panelists who participated in this workshop, as well as the workshop advisors and moderators whose help was so crucial in the success of this workshop. We are excited and looking forward to all other sessions of this workshop. Thanks.